Can I actually get federal court relief for immigrant detainees using habeas corpus? Habeas corpus, a fundamental legal right that's been around for centuries, essentially allows individuals to challenge the legality of their detention. It's a powerful tool that can provide relief to those who are being held unlawfully. But when it comes to immigrant detainees, the situation gets complicated. They're often facing uncertain futures, and their detention can be prolonged without clear paths to release. The reality is that many immigrant detainees are stuck in a state of limbo, detained for months or even years without a clear understanding of when, or if, they'll be released. This prolonged detention raises significant human rights concerns. It's a complex issue, with many factors at play, including immigration laws, detention policies, and the role of the courts. These detainees often lack access to adequate legal representation, making it even harder for them to navigate the system. As a result, they're left vulnerable to indefinite detention. So, what is habeas corpus, exactly? Simply put, it's a Latin phrase that translates to "you have the body." It's a writ that allows individuals to challenge the legality of their detention, essentially demanding that the state prove it's holding them lawfully. Traditionally, habeas corpus has been used to contest the detention of individuals who claim they're being held unlawfully. In the context of immigrant detention, habeas corpus is being argued as a means to challenge the detention of immigrants who claim they're being held without due process. There have been cases where immigrant detainees have successfully used habeas corpus to secure their release. For example, in some instances, courts have granted habeas corpus petitions to detainees who were being held for extended periods without a bond hearing or a chance to contest their detention. These cases demonstrate the potential power of habeas corpus in providing relief to immigrant detainees. However, the application of habeas corpus in this context is not without its challenges. Courts have grappled with questions about the scope of habeas corpus and its applicability to immigration detention. Recently, there have been landmark decisions that have shed light on the potential impact of habeas corpus for immigrant detainees. One notable example is a federal court ruling that expanded the use of habeas corpus in immigration cases. This decision allowed detainees to challenge their detention on the grounds that they were being held without adequate process. While this ruling represents a significant step forward, the struggle for immigrant detainees to access relief through habeas corpus remains ongoing. The use of habeas corpus has provided some relief for immigrant detainees, but its limitations are clear. While it's a powerful tool, it's not a panacea. The complexity of immigration law and detention policies means that habeas corpus is just one part of a broader struggle for justice. The ongoing legal battles surrounding this issue make it clear that there's still much work to be done to ensure that immigrant detainees receive the protections they deserve. If you're passionate about this issue, or just curious about the intersection of law and human rights, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Your insights and questions can help further the conversation. And if you're interested in more discussions like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel for deeper dives into the world of law and justice.